Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Bowman box break. And here's the list of all the winners. Here's the box that I showed on the video earlier with all the Topps watermarks. I wish they'd serial number them because it'd make it a heck. Well, I guess this one is serial numbered on the bottom. I didn't know that. Bowman is on it, so I'll try to remember that for next time. I probably showed the bottom of the box so you can match the serial number up there. Most of the stuff's not. Oh, maybe they are numbering stuff now. No, this one's not. This archives one that we're going to do later is not. Neither is the museum collection that I see. I'll just have to remember what's numbered and what's not. And there's the empty box. Some room over here. James Loney, Craig Kimbrell, Derek Holland, Dante Bichette Jr., Dylan Maples, Hanley Ramirez, Will Swanner, Noah Perio, Irvin Santana, and Scott Rowland. Corey Hart, Curtis Granderson, Kez Carter, Jimmy Rollins, and there's the auto. Joe Ross for the Padres. So there's the one guaranteed auto. David Medina, Emilio King, Buster Posey, Jordan Pacheco, Mark Teixeira. I've gotten two autos out of a box a couple times, but it's not as common as it was last year, I don't think. Paul Konerko, Justin Masterson, Zach Walters, Michael Kraus, Drew Storen, Drew Pomeranz, Diane Diaz, Danny Barnes, Jordan Walden, Chris Young. Justin Morneau, Adrian Beltre, Jay Bruce, Josh Edgen, Troy Tulowitzki, Robinson Cano, Josh Bowman, Adonis Carmona, Ichiro, Colby Rasmus. Carl Crawford, Doug Pfister, Todd McInnes, Danny Barnes, Neil Walker, Jonathan Galvez Blue, Keith Couch, Josh Edgen, Matt Latos, Neftali Feliz. Josh Hamilton, Ryan Howard, Ian Kennedy, Michael Gonzalez, Angeles Nina, Jordan Zimmerman, JT Wise, Taylor Whittington, Gio Gonzalez, Yu Darvish. I keep picking these up the wrong way. Roy Halladay, Tim Hudson, Xander Bogaerts, Robbie Price, Irvin Santana, Tyler Gagnon, Clay Holmes, Nick Swisher, Anibal Sanchez, Ben Revere. Howie Kendrick, Ted Lilly, Victor Martinez, Casey Lawrence, Matthew Shazer, Scott Rowland, Nick Marande, Robbie Price, Brett Pill, David Ortiz. Devin Mesoraco, Carlos Gonzalez, Francisco Lindor, Casey Herther, Buster Posey, Aroldis Chapman Orange. Those are the slightly lowered numbered to 250. Matthew West, Andrew Susak, Jason Worth, Adam Jones. Jaime Garcia, John Danks, Garrett Cole, Jordan Pacheco, Travis Darnaud, Eddie Rosario, Richard Jones, Ramos Ramirez, Mike Moustakas, Trevor Cahill. Adrian Chambers, Clay Buchholz, Andrelton Simmons, Devin Ethier, Mark Teixeira, Francisco Lindor, Brenny Paulino, Brett Lowry, Eric Surkamp, CC Sabathia. Heath Bell, Michael Fears, Zach Greinke, Jake Marisink, Jackie Bradley Jr., Jordan Walden, Julio Rodriguez, Dean Green, Mariano Rivera, Michael Pineda. Halfway done. Michael Kadire, Dexter Fowler, Rafael Ortega, Philip Wunderlich, Jose Valverde, Matthew West, Eric Arce, Dante Bichette Jr., Alex Rodriguez, Brandon Phillips. Taylor Green, Daniel Hudson, JT Wise, BJ Upton, Todd McInnes, Refractor. Brandon Brown, Devin Ethier, Bud Norris, Hanley Ramirez, Jimmy Rollins. John Lester, Matt Moore, Nick Morande, Austin Hedges, Steven Strasburg, Michael Krause, Heimer Candelario, Drew Storen, Troy Tulowitzki, Neil Walker. Joe Mauer, Evan Longoria, Prince Fielder, Charlie Tilson, Alex Rodriguez, Brett Jackson, Xander Bogaerts, Tyler Austin, Jordan Zimmerman, Brandon Beachy. James Darnell, Shin-Soo Choo, Jock Peterson, Tyler Austin, Brandon Phillips, A.J. Jimenez, Todd McInnes, Mark Reynolds, Nick Markakis, Jesus Montero. They're bad bag. Lance Berkman, Elvis Andrus, Brett Gardner, Eddie Rosario, Jabari Blash, Bud Norris, Justin Nicolino, Joe Ross, Shane Victorino, Justin Upton. Jeff Locke, Miguel Montero, Bryce Harper, Dylan Howard, Brandon Beachy, Heimer Candelario, Silver Ice, Jose Vinicio, Greg Bird, Ryan Vogelsong, Dan Ugla. Jason Mott, Cole Hamels, Tommy Joseph, Will Swanner, Mark Reynolds, Brian Brickhouse, Tommy Joseph, Carlos Santana, Carlos Ruiz, David Price. Paul Goldschmidt, Giovanni Gallardo, Ian Gack, Jesus Galindo, Nick Markakis, Levi Michael, Jock Peterson, Dustin Pedroia, Alexia Gondo, Ricky Weeks. R.A. Dickey, Starlin Castro, Brennan Bosch, Tyler Gagnon, Jesus Montero, Matt Harvey, Angeles Nina, Bryce Harper, Michael Young, Alex Gordon. Pedro Alvarez, Asdrubal Cabrera, Paul Hoylman, Mike Murray, Shane Victorino, Chris Sale, Nick Kingham, Raul Alcantara, Josh Johnson, Giancarlo Stanton. And the last pack here. Aroldis Chapman, Ian Desmond, Freddie Freeman, Andrew Susak, Drew Hutchinson, Justin Upton, Jose Campos, Claudio Custodio, Yuno Escobar, and Kevin Euclid. So, just the Joe Ross auto. We got another one of these up for Wednesday, so check that out. There's also, I think 2 spots left in the Bowman Jumbo box break. So I think it's like the Rays and the Indians, or Blue Jays and something like that. So check that out if you're interested in those teams. And we'll have another one of those up too after that one sells out. So thanks again, and I'm going to sort the cards tonight and start sending stuff out.